Oh goodness, did you ever have the feeling you're ever a cornball? Howdy, Guru. It's a Zulu, and we go all the weebies and the trippies and the sillies and too much LSD, marijuana, cocaine, drank too much whiskey, and a bit of trippies and the sillies and jibberty jibbers and libby wibbies and lippy zippies and floopity goopity wooties. Oh my goodness, that's just too damn zany. It's too silly, flamboyant. It make you feel better. Oh no, how could that be terrible now? People are happy and smiling, and that's just worth it. I'm Kevin Lloyd, aka Pop Culture King of Chicago, over here at KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken, in Carolina Forest in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and I say, hi, Rocket Nation, and hippies rock, couch surfers rock. That's fancy. That's top notch. Couch surfers rock. That's my motto. Guru sillies. Take time to be a silly person today. And smoke a toke of a doobie every now and then if you want to. Smoke them if we got them. Drink a big old fizz of liquor. Take a big old drink.